Lexus has ripped a row of seats out of the LX 570 for a new version that lets buyers carry more stuff but fewer people. The two-row model starts at $85,380, plus a $1,195 destination fee, and it comes very well equipped with all of the factory-offered options. The big SUV's price grows by just $1,192 to $86,572 before destination. The two-row LX is available in 6 exterior colors: emerald white pearl, satin cashmere metallic beige, atomic silver, nebula gray pearl, black onyx, and nightfall mica blue. Inside, there are only 2 choices: black leather with espresso-colored wood trim or parchment leather with wood in a hue that Lexus calls dark mocha. There are no option packages to add. Lexus offers a handful of standalone components, too. The biggest upgrade is a $329 glass breakage sensor that uses a microphone to monitor for someone breaking into the vehicle and then activate the alarm. Customers can add roof rack crossbars for $450. And all-weather floor mats for $149. The rest of the options are minor improvements like wheel locks for $80, a $65 rear cargo net, $109 universal tablet holder, and leather key gloves for $10. There are also several dealer-installed options that Lexus doesn't list the prices for. These are items like a trailer hitch, paint protection, first aid kit, a different set of floor mats, an ashtray. The two-row LX 570 comes standard with lots of premium features, including LED headlights, adaptive cruise control, and navigation. The SUV also comes with a driver assistance suite and surround view camera system. Power comes from a 5.7-liter V8 with 383 horsepower and 403 pound-feet of torque. An 8-speed automatic rips power through a full-time 4-wheel drive system with a limited slip center differential with a manual locking feature. Removing a row of seats boosts the cargo area to 50.5 cubic feet 1,430 liters, instead of 44.7 cubic feet 1,266 liters from the existing 3-row version.